Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change language in Windows 10. So let's get started. First thing, just go to search and type for settings. You'll be having the settings option. Just open it, and here you'll be having this option called as time and language. Click here and select language, and here you'll be having the Windows display language, but we need to add languages over here and then change it here. So just click on add language. You'll be having so many languages here to choose from. It's like a big list. You can just search your language name over here, and once you're done searching the language, you can just click it and click on next, and you'll be having this install language pack and text to speech. Click on install. It will take quite some time, so just be patient till then. So once that particular language has been added over here after downloading, here at the top you'll be having Windows display language. You can just click here and select this language, and it will ask you Windows needs to sign out in order to fully apply the new language change. You can just click on yes, sign out now. So now after signing out, you need to just enter your password and sign in, and as you can see here, the language has been changed. If you want to again change it, you can just go to the same language setting and again select English or any other language that you want to add. So that's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.